know gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
To another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone, and let's
get straight into the Bible. That's right.
So for our first hot topic, we're going to mention our She's Hot winners. Of course, the Kardashian clan and the Kardashian family.
And would you stop taking pictures of yourself? Your sister's going to jail.
Chloe's gone. They recently got signed to HBO and Hulu to have a bigger version of the Keeping Up with the Kardashians. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
That's right. With the Kardashians, they're all lovely ladies, but one thing I have to say, aside from them being on the Hulu with their new show...
And our She's Hot winners, so
that's
congratulations.
Right. Aside from that, Dr. Ross, they need to stop chasing one figure.
Your time has come. There's no way out of this one.
They can buy a whole team if they wanted to.
Exactly.
Let alone they can go out and get someone from the street if they wanted to.
And Black Rob, we don't know about what to say about you and your sock collection, but we want to say keep doing you, and let's get into our next hot topic.
Before we move into our next hot topic, Dr. Ross, Kylie Jenner, I have a men's fragrance for you.
Exactly.
Call it the Mandinko.
Onto our next hot topic, we're going to talk about Wendy Williams. So, Wendy Williams, you already know we're coming for your show, and that's just point blank and period. But before we say that, Dolly Parton.
That's right. That's for you, Dolly. Dollywood.
Yes, sir!
But with Wendy Williams, we want to say keep that purple seat warm for us, because we're going to be taking it pretty soon. Your days are numbered, and no, we don't mean that in a bad way.
Oh!
We mean that you're going to be off of the Wendy Williams show pretty soon.
One topic I do want to talk about, Black King Sebastian, that just popped up right now is Marvel said that they're actually going to be replacing the Black Panther. But listen to this. A lot of people thought it was going to be the sister of Black Panther, Shuri, and Marvel said that no, they don't want her to play Black Panther. They want actually a whole group of elite huntresses to play the new Black Panther. Black Panther will be a group now.
Oh, wow.
What are your thoughts, Black King?
With the Black Panther, we see that they're trying to expand it and make it into something bigger than one person.
Exactly. I already felt like they weren't going to use the sister anyways because of all the controversial things that she was bringing.
The sister as well, Dr. Ross, for a while she said that she didn't want to take the role because with Chadwick Boseman and his passing, it was such a sad thing to her that she didn't want to take the role.
Well, now she got her wish. No offense, but she got her wish. But the thing I do want to say is Black King Sebastian and I will... we are available for the new Black Panther if you need new actors, because I heard that Black Panther is going to be needing some new actors and actresses since they are going to be changing up the storyline just a little bit. So you already know Black King Sebastian and I are going to be auditioning for that.
Indeed. We'll be in the Black Panther 2. Let's move into our next and final hot topic with all of the movie theaters and how they're going on right now. So with the movie theaters, if you haven't heard, the Wonder Woman is going to be premiering on the HBO as well as a theater near you.
HBO. Oh, yes, I remember that. So Wonder Woman 1984 just came out, and there's a lot of criticism happening. Some people were saying it should have been better. Some
Nigga, shut the hell up and eat a cinnamon roll.
people were saying it's the best movie they've ever seen.
And Dr. Ross, we haven't seen it yet, but I already know that the movie is going to be a 5-star, a 10 out of 10.
Because the Gal Gadot is just gorgeous.
That's right. And we hear that, for most people, we hear that she has a outstanding performance in her role as Wonder Woman.
Exactly.
With Gal Gadot, keep doing you. Hopefully you go for the Miss Universe spot one day. Let's move into our final hot topic.
So for our final hot topic, we do want to say that our condolences and our prayers go out to the Charlie Pride family. If you don't know who Charlie Pride is the first black country superstar, and he recently passed away, and we want to say that we're wishing our condolences and prayers to his family. Hopefully, it's a hard time to go through, and we just want to make sure that we mention that.
As Dr. Ross said, our hearts and prayers go out to you, your family, and your friends. But aside from that, these were all of our hot topics, and we'll catch you guys on the next installment. We
Country living.
That's right. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and gold.